The next part is getting this indented. If we look at the original poem, it's not flush to the right, just some indentation. I'm going to create a new style. I'm going to call it indent. And all this will be is a margin indent. Margin left. Go pick pixels. Scroll on down to that section. Use a span tag, and let me close off that span tag. Drag it over here. Class, and the class is that new indent class. Save, refresh. It only indented the first one. Why? Because this is an inline piece of text. Even though there's a break here, it doesn't recognize the rest of the breaks. The other thing, I want that indent to be a little more. I'll change the span class into a block. And blocks are carved out regions. I'll also increase this margin left to 150. And now that it's a block, it blocks out this area. Span tags are usually inline elements. We could change it to a block, kind of like we changed before the div tag of the page to inline block. That's the fun you can have with style sheets. Time to put in the headings. Scroll up. This is the main heading. Copy it. Where will that heading go? It goes within the page. I'm going to use div. Divs are block elements. This title should be blocked off. I already made a class for this, headline. Class is equal to headline. Saving. Taking a look. Font this to stand out more, I would choose either a darker version of this color or make it black. I think with this headline, let's see if I included a thicker weight of the font, and I didn't. I'll go back to the original Google font. I'm using Roboto, just right here. Currently the weights I'm using are 400. I'll select that. And I'm also using 300. Select it. I now want a bolder one, 700 or 900 here. Select. I'll copy this new link, copy, and I'll replace my current font link, paste, and now I'll have access to 900. Can now also see the pattern 300, 400, semicolon, 900. In the future, you could just go to that web page, see which font weights exist. If I want to add 500, all I would have to do is type in 500, semicolon, instead of copying and pasting the whole thing. Saving that. Now I can make my headline 900 for its font weight and saving it. Taking a look. And there it is, bolder. The next part is to add the images in.